In this video, we're going to learn how to do a location transition within Reels. Hi, I'm Wonderful Lida, a digital course video producer based in Vancouver, Canada. I teach video production to service providers so that they can film once to teach many. If you have a course idea and want to learn how to film yourself, make sure you subscribe to my YouTube channel because I have new videos out every Wednesday. I'm going to keep it nice and simple. I'm going to have this right here, this first shot as my location number 1, and then I'm just going to move my camera over here and have this right here as my location number 2. Let's start with location number 1, and now you're going to have to figure out which transition you're going to be doing between location 1 and 2. I'm going to keep it simple and I'm going to be using a finger snap. But you can do whatever you want. You can do a jump, you can do a head move, an arm move, anything that you want to do, just as long as there's some kind of action and movement within it. So to start filming it, I'm going to want to add the timer. The timer is going to allow me to not have to touch the camera to get it all started. I can just get into position and it makes it less stressful for when it starts. The timer is just on the bottom of your menu right there. Click on that and then you're going to have a countdown. So the countdown is going to be set to 3, but you can push 10 seconds and it's going to be 10 seconds or you can go back to 3. Depending on how far you are away from your camera, you might want to do 3 seconds or 10 seconds. So once your timer's set, just press set timer and I'm ready to start recording. There you go, I did the snap. Let's stop recording that. And now I'm going to want to go into my clip and trim it. To access my clip, I'm going to click this back button right here and I'm going to trim. I only have 2 options here. I can either get rid of this clip or I can trim it, and I want to trim it. I can't get rid of certain sections within the clip. All I'm able to do is trim the beginning and the end. So you can see by using these white bars on the beginning and the end, I'm able to adjust the length of my clip. So I'm gonna start this from when I start moving. And then for the transition, you want to make sure that you cut on the action. By cutting on the action, things are already changing and the cut is going to be more forgivable than if you cut if there's nothing changing or happening within your shot. So you can see here, I trimmed it to the end as I'm snapping, and now I can go to the top and press trim, and that's going to save that edit. So I'm done, I'm out of here. And now I want to film my second clip. So location change. And I'm going to add that timer once again, just so I don't have to stress about this. And let's film this. Okay, so to get back and to edit that clip, I'm going to do the same thing. I'm going to go to the trim tool. I'm just going to move this up here so I can see better. There we go. Now I'm going to trim that beginning to the action as I'm just about done snapping. And then I'm just going to trim the end too. And then to confirm that trim, I just press trim. And now to preview this, I press done and then preview. And then you can see there, I've done a location change between one spot and the next. So this is great for any kind of outdoor transition that you want to use for changing locations within your shot. So be creative. I can't wait to see what you create. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, or better yet, leave me a comment below. I have new videos out each and every Wednesday. Until next time, peace!